The 2022 Cadillac XT6 is the only option one has money and Escalade space. The XT6 shares a lot of its base and mechanical components with the GMC Acadia, but wouldn't tell by looking at it. Cadillac features a unique exterior and interior design that looks classy. It can be had with a choice of a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine or a naturally aspirated V6 engine and front or all-wheel drive. The sport trim comes with a vector torque rear differential, but even so fails to deliver the same level of athleticism as major rivals like the Audi Q7 and BMW X5. Instead, the XT6 is better suited for stylish family transport, similar to other vehicles like the Acura MDX and Lincoln Aviator. Cadillac's midsize SUV has undergone only minor changes for 2022. The sport model now comes with Brembo brakes with red-painted calipers, and the model with the Platinum package now comes with a steering wheel wrapped in Modena leather instead of last year's Turin leather. A new optional 21-inch wheel design is available, and power-folding exterior mirrors are now standard. In my experience, the sport chassis upgrade doesn't offer a noticeable performance boost, so we'll stick with the mid-range premium luxury trim. To that, it will add a comfort and air quality package with heated rear seats, ventilated front seats and air ionizers, as well as a second-row captain's seat, on-dash navigation, and a premium 14-speaker Bose stereo system. For 2022, XT6 buyers can choose a 237-horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine or a 310-horsepower V6 engine. Both come with a 9-speed automatic and can be had either front or all-wheel drive. 3 trim levels: Luxury, Premium Luxury and Sport make up the XT6 lineup, with the first 2 levels being more comfortable and Sport receiving additional performance enhancements such as a torque vector rear differential and retuned steering. The Platinum plan is available and gives the XT6 all the goodies. Regardless of the trim, the XT6 definitely looks good. 20-inch wheels come standard, but you can get 21-inch wheels on the Sport model. Handling is athletic enough for a 3-row crossover, but no one would have thought it was for the agile CT5V sedan. Estimates the 2022 XT6 with the standard Turbo 4 will deliver up to 21 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway. Models with V6 engines are rated for up to 19 mpg city and 26 highway. The all-wheel drive XT6 running on a fuel-efficient 75 mph highway route, which was part of an extensive testing regimen, was less than bright at 22 mpg. For reference, the Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 that was tested on that route earned 23. Inside, the Cadillac offers 7- and 8-seat layouts, featuring a pair of captain's seats or a 3-seater bench in the second row. All XT6s come with a third row that can accommodate 3 passengers. The XT6 interior decoration is unimpressive when compared to the Audi Q7 or BMW X5. Cargo space is also limited, with room for only 3 carry-on luggage. But lowering the 2 rear rows frees up enough space to fit 31 suitcases. The Q7 accommodates 4 boxes behind the third row but only 25 with seats down, making the XT6 a better choice if you regularly need to haul bulky cargo.
Thank you.